So I wanted to just put up a video of the potted plants that I'm growing using the same nutrient solution that I use in the biogarden right here, which you're familiar with probably. You've seen my past videos. And that comes from here, which is an extract of organic matter, namely, in this case, just all tea, mate tea, spent tea leaves. And I use it for fertilizing my soilless grow beds and feeding my little goldfish that also feed on mosquito larvae. But I also use it for the potted plants. And there's a nice assortment. I've got citrus there on the left, lemon, and I got some flowering plants. Got a little olive tree. You can see it's budding out really nice, a lot of green, stemming out. Grapes, grapevines, 2 of them, one there, one here. This one's not flowering. That's just, I had purchased that plant a year ago. It hasn't flowered this year. This one did, and we got a lot of many grape clusters. There they are. Come here. That one's not focusing, but yeah, grape clusters. Lots of these. We'll see if we can keep it nourished enough and keep it, plenty of sun, so we can handle it in this little pot. And we've got, some bamboo grasses. We've got some bamboo cuttings of some giant bamboo that's growing back here. Love the giant. Some tropical plants. And yeah, that's about it. So the nutrients then come from this extraction. I put biomass in this bucket. You can get a pretty good concentrated leachate by using as much as like 3 pounds per gallon, 3 pounds of solid per 1 gallon of water, and just let that sit for 10 days. You get a really nice high nitrogen, ammonia rich extract. And for some of these plants, since they're fruiting, they need a little extra calcium and maybe some phosphorus, so I give them bone meal. I'll put it in the bucket, add it to the decomposing organic matter. The pH won't drop as low, so I'll usually do it after I hit like a 4 or 5 pH. And acidophiles have dominated the extraction process. And then add bone meal, which will alkalinize it and raise that pH and kind of kill off those acid bacteria. But it actually puts the calphos into solution because of the acidity, because you need that acidity to dissolve the crystals, and makes it more absorbable and available to the plant roots. So yeah, organic bone meal. There's just bone meal, which is organic. It's not mined calcium, not mined phosphorus either. You get plenty of phosphorus. So that's it. That's what we're doing. You can see they're growing well, and it's a testament to the nutrients. And we could use a little bit more sun, but maybe next week we can remedy that situation. Thanks for watching.